All right. Chapter number 5, homework problems. The first questions in chapter number 5 are really all about molar ratios. You're given a chemical reaction, a balanced chemical reaction, which is C2H6 plus 7O2 yields 4CO2 plus 6H2O. Now, the great thing about this is this chemical reaction is balanced, so you don't even have to worry about that. The question is asked, or the question that is asked is, you have an amount of ethane. Let's call it 96 moles of ethane, and you have excess O2. So we could also look at that numerically as infinity. You have an infinite amount of oxygen. How much CO2 in terms of moles are produced? And you can do the balanced chemical reaction, or you can use that and set up a dimensional analysis problem and say 96 moles of C2H6, 2 moles of C2H6 gives me 4 moles of CO2. We don't have to worry about O2 because that is basically taken for granted. We don't have to worry about that because we know that it's an excess. So to answer this, you can say 96 times 4 divided by 2, and we get 192. Another way that you could do it is you could look at it and say, well, 2 and 4, I am making 2 times as many moles of CO2 as I have moles of C2H6. The end. That's all there is to this sort of problem. Don't make it any more complicated than it actually is. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a good one.